The role of AI in healthcare. Hello, and welcome back to our AI Explained series. Today, we're venturing into an area where AI is making significant strides: healthcare. From diagnosis to drug discovery, AI is reshaping patient care and medical research. Previously, we delved into the impact of AI on jobs and the future of work. It showed us how AI is influencing every sector, including healthcare. Let's uncover more about this today. AI in diagnosis and treatment. AI algorithms trained on vast data sets are now able to diagnose a range of conditions often faster and more accurately than humans. From identifying skin cancer to predicting heart disease, AI is aiding doctors in diagnoses and helping tailor treatments to individual patient needs. AI in medical imaging. Medical imaging is another field where AI is playing a transformative role. AI systems can detect anomalies such as tumors in X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs with impressive accuracy. This can lead to early detection and intervention, greatly improving patient outcomes. AI in drug discovery. In the realm of drug discovery, AI is a game changer. The traditional process of drug discovery is lengthy and costly. AI, with its ability to analyze large amounts of biological data, can potentially speed up this process, bringing life-saving medications to patients much faster. AI in patient care. AI's impact extends to patient care as well. With predictive analytics, AI can assess a patient's risk of developing certain conditions, allowing for preventative care. Additionally, AI-driven telemedicine and health monitoring devices are revolutionizing patient care, especially in remote areas. Challenges and opportunities. While AI promises many benefits, it also brings challenges. These include ethical considerations like privacy of patient data and biases in AI algorithms. But if addressed properly, the potential for improved patient outcomes and increased efficiency in healthcare is immense. AI's role in healthcare is transformative and still evolving. As we uncover more benefits and tackle challenges, the landscape of healthcare will continue to change. Next, we'll explore AI in education, changing the way we learn.